Every day, small businesses throw away $50 billion chasing a lie about Google Maps rankings. They pour money into fake reviews, expensive SEO agencies, and thousands of worthless backlinks. Meanwhile, their competitors are dominating local search with one simple secret page. Here's what the gurus won't tell you about Google's real ranking algorithm. Tony's Pizza was drowning. Ranked page 7 on Google Maps behind every major chain. He spent $12,000 on traditional SEO. Nothing changed. Then he discovered Google's hidden priority system that most businesses completely ignore. It wasn't reviews, it wasn't keywords, it wasn't even his Google My Business page. Google was looking for something else entirely. Something hiding in plain sight. Within 30 days, Tony's Pizza jumped to position number 1 above McDonald's. His revenue doubled. His phone wouldn't stop ringing. All because he understood Google's billion-dollar secret that 97% of businesses miss. If you're finding value in this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Building on what we just uncovered, there's a page on your website that's worth more than gold. 99% of business owners completely ignore this page. They don't even know it exists. I'm talking about your location page, not your contact page, your dedicated location page. This single page has more ranking power than your home page, more than your About page. Google's Pigeon update changed everything. It made location pages the secret weapon of local search. While your competitors focus on their home page, smart businesses are dominating with location pages. These pages are generating an average of $100,000 per year for local businesses. The algorithm sees location pages as trust signals. Authority builders. Ranking magnets. Every major corporation has dedicated location pages. McDonald's has thousands. Starbucks has millions. But small businesses? They're missing this completely. They're leaving money on the table. Your location page should be a masterpiece. A conversion machine. A ranking powerhouse. Most businesses just slap their address on a contact page and call it done. That's not enough. The businesses making 6 figures from local search have cracked this location page code. In the next chapter, I'll show you exactly how to build this 15-minute money machine. Here's where everything clicks. Building on what we covered, you now have 15 minutes to transform your business forever. Step 1. Open your Google Business profile. Navigate to the website section. This is your moment of truth. Step 2. Create your services page. Not just any page. The page that will crush your competition while they sleep. Element number 1. Your exact service area with specific neighborhoods. Google rewards precision, not vague descriptions. Element number 2. Customer testimonials with full names and locations. Real people, real results, real rankings. Element number 3. Your business hours and emergency contact. Availability equals authority in Google's algorithm. Element number 4. Local certifications and licenses prominently displayed. Trust signals that competitors ignore completely. Element number 5. Before and after photos from actual local projects. Visual proof that converts browsers into buyers. Now the tracking phase begins. Install Google Analytics on this page immediately. Knowledge is power. Check your rankings daily using Google My Business Insights. Watch your competitors fade into obscurity. Update this page weekly. Fresh content signals Google that you're actively serving your community. Monitor your call volume. When it doubles, you'll know this strategy is working its magic. The businesses implementing this right now will dominate local search for the next day.